So hello students, let's continue with the next topic from cell topic. The next topic is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, or you can say biomembrane. Or you can say cell membrane. Unit membrane also, but I will tell you later. Okay. So what is, as you people are aware about these terms, so plasma membrane, it is made up of what? Protein, plasma membrane, it is made up of what? Protein and phospholipid. And first tell me, what is the function of plasma membrane? It protects the cell from injury. Okay, the cell it also causes compartmentalization. Okay, they separate the cells from external environment. Cells को external environment से separate करते हैं. Okay, they allow the cell or cell organs to maintain their identity or functional individuality. What else function? It allow the flow of materials. Cell membranes allow the flow of material and information between different organelles. Okay, so there are various functions, but remember it separate the cell from external environment and protect cell from injury and allow flow of material. Okay, so basically it is made up of protein and phospholipid. Phospholipid is diglyceride fat. And what else? First point. Second is, it is selectively membrane. What do you mean by the term selectively membrane? Selectively membrane means here only certain materials will pass through it. Okay, useful substance will pass through it. How? Okay, let me write. It is selective permeable, means selective. There is one term selectively membrane and one term is semi-permeable. Okay, have a clear difference between this. Membrane, selective permeable membrane, which choose only certain materials. You can say that is useful materials to pass through it. Here size is not a factor. I will write rector. Okay. Third it, semi-permeable membrane. Here particles will enter according to size. यहाँ size माने रख रहा है. Okay, और यहाँ only choose only certain materials, useful material. Listen, selectively membrane में क्या रहता है? Only useful materials will enter. Okay, and in semi-permeable membrane it will be according to the size. So here what will write? Here useful membrane which allow some materials to pass. Okay, so to pass according to size. So here size plays an important role. So how? Let me explain. Suppose this is membrane, okay, and it is pores, and here it is a substance. It is inside, outside. Now what happened? Only if we talk about semi-permeable, this will enter. Okay, this will enter. It is according to size. किसकी बात हो रही है? सेमी परमिएबल की. Now what about the case of this selectively membrane? What happened? Let me draw here. तो सेमी परमेबल हो गया. Now it will show a property known as flexibility, and it form a structure. This structure will form. Okay. Now in this case, suppose this will enter, this is useful substance, and it will enter inside with the help of this structure known as endocytosis. Okay. This will enter by endocytosis. This membrane form some structure. ये structure foldings बना लेते. So therefore now it will be able to enter. It is a case of selectively membrane. Inside, okay, through endocytosis. Membrane form a specialized structure. Okay. And what else difference between this? Now come to properties. It is selectively membrane. Okay, how? Allow entry of water soluble and allow entry of water soluble and fat soluble. Next property, it shows variable protein phospholipid ratio. So protein and phospholipids are found in membrane. We will discuss fluid mosaic model, sandwich model, then we will come to know. Okay, and it is a dynamic membrane. Dynamic membrane, it shows flexibility. Flexibility just like in this case. Okay, yeah, flexibility. So one more difference between selective membrane is that suppose when CaCO3 dissolve, okay, suppose we take one thing, suppose this is egg and it is the egg shell, dilute HCl. Okay, egg dilute HCl. Okay, now when this egg is dissolved in CaCO3, then membrane will be semi-permeable, and when membrane is part of living cell, okay, suppose now listen, suppose the egg is dipped here and it has a shell, so what happens, the shell will get dissolved and we will get a membrane. Okay, then it will be a semi-permeable. Listen again, ये एग है, हम लोग डाइल्यूट HCl में रखे, तो जो उसका जो शेल होगा CaCO3 का जो रहता है, it will get dissolved and we will get membrane. Then it is known as a semi-permeable. And when membrane is part of living cell, then it is known as selectively membrane. Let me write. Then membrane is part of living cell, then membrane is selectively membrane. अब जब CaCO3 डिजॉल्व हो जाएगा, then membrane will be semi-permeable. So students, this is an introduction about this function. Function, just I have told you in starting, the function is like the cell cause compartmentalization. Compartmentalization means they separate cells from external environment and from injury, flow of materials. Okay, this write it by your own. And what do you mean by term permeable membrane? Membrane which allow passage of all materials. What I am saying, permeable membrane. Permeable membrane means membrane which allows passage of all materials through it. Okay, and impermeable membrane which does not allow passage of material. So students, this is all about the plasma membrane.